check out my cooker unit then. Look at that. Or my kitchen unit, sorry, my kitchen unit. Oh man, look at that. And that doesn't it look sparkly and fantastic? I made that. No, I really did. I made that. Superb. Now I have to say, actually, this is a big thank you to my wife, because had I have made it how I was originally gonna make it, then it wouldn't look anything like this does now. And I'm really pleased with the result of this, to be fair. She originally wanted to go out and buy one that was already built, and I thought, nah, sod that. It's going against the grain of the project here. The project is to make things yourself, isn't it? That's what the idea is. Go out and buy stuff. So I had to make it, but I had to make it in a manner that she would be happy with, if you see what I mean. So it was, you know. Yeah, I think you get my drift anyway. So I had to get this wood and that kind of stuff, and yeah, but the result, I think the result is fantastical. So I'm really, really pleased with it. So take a step back. Look at that. Look. Oh, looks like it'll be in a showroom somewhere. Right, let me show you around it then. What we got? What have we got? We've got fridge, lovely. That works on all three forms of power. Brilliant. Drawers then. So I've got a drawer here. This is a reasonable sized drawer actually, this one, so that's pretty good. This one isn't. But it's still a drawer. Salt and pepper, I reckon. And this one here then, so this one's got a bit of a funny shape to it. So this bit goes around the sink. I miscalculated when I made this, and I had to lose a bit of the back end of it as well, because of the tap. I didn't take into account the pipes from the tap. But that's okay. That's okay. There's still a bit of space in there that we can use. And that's pretty good. So what we've got up here then, we've got our tap. Great. Yeah. It doesn't work yet because I haven't got a water bottle for it. Over here we've got our gas. Yeah, so gas. Hold on, am I going to do this one-handed? Let's change it. I can't remember how it works now. Push that down. Not like that. Yeah, check that out. Little gas. Big gas. Little gas. Big gas. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea in here later on, just because I can. There you go. So the gas is all plumbed in. This is all bolted down and the seals on and everything else, and it fits lovely. It fits really nice. What a lovely unit that is, I have to say. We've got what? A bit of splashback across the back, and we've got a bit of splashback up here as well. Brilliant. Underneath then, cupboard side of things. Now it's a bit messy in here. I haven't actually finished under here. Let's see. You can see. Oh, hold on. Video stopped. Oh no, we're still going. So the gas is all plumbed in for the cooker and the fridge. I've got to run the waste. So the waste is going out of that hole there. I've got to get myself a water bottle. I've got a pump. So that's no bother. So yeah, so water container. And then in here is the gas is in here. Now I'm having a rethink about my gas strategy. It has to be in a sealed container, but in theory the cupboard is a sealed container, so it doesn't have to be boxed in when it's in there. So I might leave it open because it will lower it by about sort of 20-30 mil or so, and I can put a shelf in as well. So I think what I'll do is probably put a shelf in there. Okay. Yeah, look at it. Look. Brilliant. So that's that. We've created a little bit of a mess, but nothing too serious. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Right. Let's ignore that then, because we're going to forget that now. So the water we've got to do, but we can't do it because I haven't got a water bottle. So I'll scour my eyes out and I'll get hold of one at some point or other and finish that off. But what we're going to do then, let's turn our attention to the back end of the bus then and start having a look at this bed. I said this in the last video. I think I had a bit of a a bit of an issue trying to lose the cushions. I still haven't quite figured it out. But you know, let's have a go. Let's have a go and see how we do. So what I'm going to do first off, I'm going to make a little bit of a framework around that area and cut another bit of the seat that's going to go around the corner. Okay. Now you may be wondering why I'm doing this with the seat, and if you think about the seat here on the edge is going to be tiny, as in legs hanging off the seat. But it's not about that. This, for me, this is about perception of space, and I reckon when I've built this, you'll see what I mean, because that's a big cooker unit, and I'm going to make it look like it's got, well, it will have a big seat in it as well, and so it'll feel, I'm hoping it'll feel quite spacious in a very, very small bus. It might not work, but this was my original intention. And when I first got the bus, it had a little bit of a corner seat on there, and I kind of like, when I'm sat down, every now and then, it's nice to sit up with your legs across the sofa, and you'll be able to do that on this thing. Okay, that's my plan. That's my plan. Whether it turns out is a different matter completely. Okay, I'll tell you what, I'll stop rambling on. I'm going to have a bit of a tidy up, go put all of the tools and that all to one side, so I know exactly where I am with everything. And then I'm going to start looking at this, and I will come back to you very shortly. Yokie doke, see you in a little bit. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye.